afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Raina Mo's Designs. And today we're going to do a floral arrangement, but it's not your mother's floral arrangement. This floral arrangement we're going to create with something that you wouldn't even expect could be used as a base for a floral arrangement. So if this sounds interesting to you, keep on watching. Okay, so for this particular centerpiece, what you will actually need is a shopping bag, and this will be your centerpiece. You can make it as large as you want, you can make it as small as you want, but I just thought this was so adorable, so this is the size that I'm going to be using. This came from Dollar Tree in a 3-pack. I'll also be using some thin dowels, and I will be using foam blocks. This foam block I got from King Dollar, and these, I'm sure you're very aware, came from Dollar Tree. It doesn't matter if you use green or white, use whatever it is that you have on hand. I happen to have both on hand, but this is the only green one I have, so I'm going to reserve this one. And I'm going to go with these 2 styrofoam blocks. Let's begin assembling. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and open my bag, and the rectangle, narrow but tall styrofoam block I'm going to place at the bottom of the bag. Now this is a spot where you can use some glue, whether it be hot glue, E6000, glue dots, whatever it is that you have, to secure it to the bottom of the bag. I'm going to be using these dowels to secure all of the foam pieces together. So as of right now, I'm going to wait before I affix it to the inside of the bag. Also, the bag is light, styrofoam is very light, so if you want to add a little weight to the bag so that you don't have to worry about it tipping over, I would suggest Dollar Tree sells vase filler, Dollar Tree sells the gemstones, Dollar Tree sells bags of sand that you could transfer into little Ziploc baggies and use it as weights, which is what I'm going to actually do. So taking one of my dowels, I'm going to open up my second styrofoam, and I'm going to begin assembling, which we will time lapse through.
Here I'm just showing you a nice variety of different florals that I picked up mostly from the Dollar Tree that I plan on using in this centerpiece arrangement. In this segment you see me using the white florals, which I picked up at King Dollar, and I'm just going to use that as my base by placing one on all 4 sides of the arrangement. And then after that you'll see me pick up different colored roses in the purple hues, as well as some pink dahlias, I believe, and just set up my colorful arrangement the way that it pleases my eye. Please try and use as much color as possible this year, because this is going to be a year full of beautiful colors and surprises. I'm also going to be adding some orchids that I found from the Dollar Tree, but feel free to use whatever florals makes you happy.
Here is our final centerpiece, and isn't she gorgeous? I just love it. I love all of the colors. Of course, you can look on this and you can see that I have chosen for the majority of the colors on the violet spectrum, which means different shades of purples and plums, to bring this look together, even though we have pinks, because they all work well together. So I hope that this particular tutorial gave you guys a little punch of inspiration to try something different whenever you're looking for a centerpiece. You don't have to have glass as your centerpiece base. You can use paper. You can use whatever you put your mind to. And I just really want to challenge everyone out there watching this tutorial to think outside of the box. I saw these bags and I was just like, a bag of flowers would be so very cute. And I was right. So if you enjoyed this particular tutorial, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. And when you comment down below, if you read the other comments that are down there and you want to chime in and get a conversation started, I really enjoy when that happens. It happens not often enough if you ask me. I ask you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, but most importantly, have an absolutely wonderful day. Bye.